Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be decorating my journal, which is the Wild Florals from Happy Planner. This is the classic size. I am super excited. We are going to be decorating for the week of April 5th to 11th. And I'm gonna pull up the spread in just a second. I have been enjoying Love POSH stickers so much that I decided to continue using them on this week's spread as well. I am going to be using the Spring Blooms. I think it's such a lovely book. So here we go. I am going to be kind of doing the spring stickers in there. And I just wanted to say thank you if you are already subscribed to my channel. I appreciate it so much. And if you are new and just found me, welcome. I am so excited you found me, and I truly hope you like it here. So here we go. Let's jump into the spread. Hello my loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101. I am going to be picking the winner of the giveaway, so I imported all of the names in here, including the additional ones. And I did that from this video as well as the Instagram. So all of that is in here, and I am so excited to be able to announce a winner today. So let me go ahead and pick a winner. Yay! So Amanda Carter 13 is our winner. Thank you so much to all of you for entering, and as always, I am already planning another giveaway for you guys, so that will be going up pretty soon, probably in a couple weeks. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Congratulations, Amanda.